Welcome to Helsinki in October 2011. Compared to the previous successful World Congresses in Melbourne 2008 and 2005 in Tokyo, we have really emphasized the global nature of the conference. The number of contributing countries is about 3 times as big as it was in the previous ones. We have more than 70 countries covering both the developing countries and the developed ones. SB11 Helsinki emphasizes the 3 pillars of sustainability: the social dimension, contributing to the quality of life; the environmental dimension related with the climate change, mitigating climate change; and then the economic dimension by showing how sustainable building can also be profitable business. We'll engage the coming generations with the conference on a real case study where we have already over 60 teams registered in a multidisciplinary idea and design competition. We have also an exhibition area where you may see the leading companies investing in sustainable building together with the national pavilions, showing what has been developed and what's going on in different parts of the world.